This is trigonometric function, and we are discussing general form of sine function, right?
Okay.
You can see the general form is y is equal to a sine bx plus d. And
Yes.
what all these letters represents, it's already given here. A is amplitude, and
Mm-hmm.
what is amplitude we will see it later. And then it says B represents period, affects period, and D affects vertical translation, right?
Okay.
And then we have further information about this, that amplitude is magnitude of A. So what this A is, I'll just give you another example. Let's say we have y is equal to 2 sine 3x plus d. So let's say plus 1, right? Now, if I ask you the question, what is the amplitude of this given function? So what will you answer?
25.
No, where is 25? It's not 25, it's a 2 sine.
Oh, sorry. 2 sine.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So what will you answer amplitude?
2.
2, that's correct. So even if it's negative 2, right? So you can say
Mm-hmm.
it's an absolute value of A. So whether it is positive 2 or negative 2, your answer for amplitude will be 2 only, right?
A. Okay. So, like, even if it's negative, we'll say 2.
Yes. If question asks you amplitude, right?
Okay. Yes. Oh,
And
right,
then,
because it's that thing.
yes. Second thing is period of the function. So first you
Mm.
understand what is the period of the function. I showed you the graph, or you already have the graph on your screen, right?
Yes. Yes.
So I'll reshare that graph. You can see that the graph is completing a cycle within certain domain, right?
Yes.
That domain is called period of the function. So
Okay.
I'll share this. Just look at this. Over here, you can see the graph is starting from 0, right? It's
Mm-hmm.
going up till 1 on the y-axis, and again going down at 180-degree on the x-axis, going down further till -1 on the y-axis, and it comes back to 360-degree. Now, if you compare from 0 to 360-degree, what happens after 360? It's trying to make same type of shape again, right?
Yes.
The shape is again same. So it's repeating itself, right?
Yes.
So the interval after which it repeats itself, that interval is called period of the function. Got it?
Okay.
So in this
Yeah.
case, you can see that the period of this function is 360-degree, right?
Yes.
Got it? What is the period?
Yes. 3. Like, the.
360-degree. And what exactly it is? The interval, or you can say the x value for which the sine function repeats itself, right?
Okay.
So after every 360-degree, it will make same type of shape, right?
Yes.
So that is called period of the
Period.
function, right?
Yes.
So in
Yes.
general, you can say that period of sine function is 360-degree, right?
Yes.
Now we have seen that the b affects the period, right? So this
Sir, I have
b,
one doubt.
sorry,
I have one doubt.
yes,
Always the period is 360 or does it change graph to graph?
it will change graph to graph. That's what exactly I'll explain you now. right?
Okay. Yes.
So in general, the period of general sine function, not general, the y is equal to sine x is 360-degree, which you already have seen, right?
Yes.
But with certain changes, certain, vertical stretch or horizontal stretch, the period will change. So you can see the bx. B affects the period, right? So what is B exactly over here? B is horizontal stretch of the function, right?
Yes.
So it will change the shape horizontally of main sine function, right? So how does
Ye-
it affect? So if you want to calculate the period of any given function, for example, in this case, we have 2 sine 3x plus 1, and you want to know what will be the period of this function. So how can we calculate this? It's very simple. So we know that period is equal to 360 over b, right?
Yes.
So in this case, what is b? What
B
is the
is
value of b? We have 3. That's
3.
correct. So it's 120-degree. It means this given graph
Hello.
repeats itself at every 120-degree.
Sir, I can't hear you properly.
I was saying that this graph will repeat itself after every 120-degree.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
The period of function is 120-degree, and we can calculate by dividing 360 with the given value of b, which is 3 in this case, right? Now the
Yes.
principal axis or vertical translation is denoted by d, right? So in this
Yes.
case, the vertical translation is 1, right? So what will happen that the graph will shift 1 unit up, right? You have seen that the sine function was like this, right? So
Yes.
when you will shift this by 1 unit, so what will happen? This will go 1 unit up. So instead of starting from here, it will start from here, right? It will be something
Oh,
like this. And
okay.
this is your principal axis, right?
Yes, understood.
So this is a general idea about sine function. When the function is already given, these informations you can extract from the given information, right?
Yes.
Is clear? Any confusion?
Yes. No, 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 sir.
I'll give you
Understood.
one question and you have to answer few things. So let's say we are given with y is equal to negative 4 sine 2x minus 2. So if my first question is what is the amplitude of the function? So what will be your answer?
Amplitude of the function. Wait. Uh, 4. 4.
Oh, that's correct. And what will be the period of the function?
360 upon 2. 360 upon 2.
So what
Wait.
exactly it means?
1 second. Mm, 360 divided by 2. Sorry, 1 second, sir. 180.
180 degree, right?
Yes. Yes.
And what is the vertical translation?
Vertical translation will be minus 2.
Yes, so you can say it's 2 unit down, right?
Yeah. Uh,
So if question asks you where will be the principal axis, so you will say
2
your
units
y
down.
is equal to negative 2, right?
Okay.
So this is how you'll get the question, right? If
Okay,
the
sir.
function is given. Second category will be based on graph, right? You will be
Yes.
given with the graph, and you will be supposed to find A, B, D, right? So
Right.
we'll see how can we find those informations if graph is already given.